Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we have this platform called Housecall Pro, and this is the best house services business management software. Now before we dive in, there's a link in the description that you can use to simply get extended free trial as well exclusive benefits and rewards out of this platform. Now you know that house chores and even the tasks related to different electricity issues, plumbing issues could be related to anything big that you cannot handle yourself, and hiring a professional help is always something advised. So whether you need some electrician, HVAC templates and calculators, you need plumbing templates, so all that is available on Housecall Pro. Make sure to give it a try and it will be solving all of your issues and the services that you are going to be requiring. So it is something every house needs and should try. So make sure to head over to the site and give it a try, Housecall Pro, using the link in the description that you can get extended free trial as well exclusive benefits and rewards on the site. So make sure to give it a try and do not miss out on that. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, take care and goodbye.